Adding the secret formula now.
Base syrup flow is steady,
Watch the temperature.
holding at 85 degrees. Adding merchandise 7X now. Looks good. Next ingredient adding now, fizzing nicely.
Coming in, clear the way.
Got it, lowering now. Steady, I've got it.
Next one, keep it moving.
This is Coca-Cola's water conservation technology, where advanced filtration and recycling systems purify and reuse water, reducing consumption.
Coca-Cola's advanced water-saving technology filters and recycles water, reducing use by 25%. AI controls and optimizes every stage, from filling to packaging, ensures the Fushim Manfly. Discover Coca-Cola's bold new flavors and limited editions only at your local store. Refresh your world with Coca-Cola. All right, trucks rolling. Cue the lights. Cameras rolling. Looks great. Perfect. Hold that convoy formation. Action. Let's see those trucks roll. Rolling. Looks great. Good, keep the snow steady. Pressure is holding steady.
Labels are aligned, ready for boxing.
Conveyor speed is optimal, no jams. Line 1 is at full capacity.
Confirmed, no anomalies detected.
Speed holding at 98%. Good, keep monitoring. Line 1 is steady at 4,500 units.
Efficiency is up to 98.5%.
Quality metrics are green, no adjustments.
Ready to start the run?
Conveyor clear, let's go.
Filling now, watch the level.
Looks good, capping next.
Lines running smooth. Check the filler pressure.
On it, holding steady at 40 psi.
Perfect, keep it moving.
All right, bring it forward. Coming in. Set it down there. All set.
Okay, bring it in.
Got it, coming in. Stack it against the wall. Next one ready.